Welcome to Study Circle. Before moving forward, if you are new on my channel, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Let's try to understand ecosystem services. As a part of an ecosystem, humans derive lots of benefits from the biotic and abiotic components. These positive benefits are collectively termed as ecosystem services. Ecosystem services are classified into four types. Number one is provisioning services. Provisioning services include the products or raw materials or energy outputs which we get from ecosystem. They are called as provisioning services. For example, food, water, medicine and other resources which we get from ecosystem, they will come under provisioning services. Another one is regulating services. This includes the services which regulate the ecological balance of our ecosystem. They will come under regulating services. For example, forests purify and regulate air quality. This will come under regulating services. Or forests prevent soil erosion. This will also come under regulating services. Or forests may also control greenhouse gases. This will also come under regulating services. Another one is supporting services. These form the basis for other services. They provide habitat for different life forms, retain biodiversity, nutrient cycling, and other services for supporting life on Earth. The services which support the life on Earth will come under supporting services. For example, nutrient cycling. Nutrient cycling supports life on Earth, so it will come under supporting services. Last one is cultural services. It means recreational, aesthetic, cultural, spiritual, or educational or ecotourism values. This will come under cultural services. Now let's see the diagram. In this diagram, regulating, supporting, cultural, and provisioning services are highlighted. Regulating examples of regulating are air quality, climate, water, runoff, erosion, natural hazards, pollution. These services will come under regulating services. Supporting services includes nutrient cycling, water cycling, soil formation, photosynthesis. Similarly, cultural services means ethical values, existence values, recreational, ecotourism, or educational values. Similarly, provisioning services means energy outputs or raw material. That means food, fiber, biomass, wood, fuel, fresh water, and natural medicines. Similarly, this diagram also highlights provisioning, regulating, cultural, and supporting services with examples. You must remember these things. Now, let's see this last diagram. In this diagram, we have highlighted these whole points. That means provisioning services include products humans obtain from ecosystem. That means food, raw materials, fuel, fiber, medicine, fresh water. Similarly, regulating services means services that regulate the ecological balance of our environment. That includes air quality, climate, water purification, waste treatment, disease and pest control, pollination, extreme events, moderation. Similarly, cultural services includes non-material benefits of nature for humans, recreational, ecotourism, aesthetic, spiritual, educational, mental and physical health. Last one is supporting services. This includes services which encompasses both human and ecosystem needs. For example, photosynthesis, nutrient cycling, soil formation. Hope you have enjoyed this session. Thank you for watching me.